Do you have a birthday coming up and you're wanting to deduct it um, or deduct your party? Well, most CPAs will probably tell you you can't deduct your birthday party. However, if you follow certain steps and you're able to substantiate and show a legitimate business purpose, you actually can deduct your birthday party. My name is Anthony Brister of Brister Law Firm. This is the Wealth Planning Podcast with Brister Law. And today we're going to talk about how do you write off your birthday party? Well, first step to writing off anything is you need to be able to show that it's ordinary and necessary for your business. So when we're talking about a birthday party, if it's just 100% personal party, friends, family, you're not talking anything related to business, you're probably not going to be able to write off your birthday party. So that's first step. You got to find the business purpose. So what we really need to do is put that birthday secondary, or again, not really even think about the birthday party, but what day we're scheduling it on. So if you have a business event on your birthday and you happen to have fun during that business event, you happen to have friends, family, but also other business related clients or potential clients, well, there you go. You're able to deduct that. Um, but again, we need to show that this is a legitimate business purpose. So when I think about events, I think about workshops, networking events, right? Those two are the biggest ones that I see, or potentially you have a company retreat with all of your employees. Um, those three give you that potential, if scheduled on your birthday, to be a deduction. Again, though, we need to show what we're doing and how that is ordinary and necessary for your business. So for workshops or the networking events, you want to think about who you invite. Like I said at the beginning, if it's friends and family only, it's not going to look like a legitimate networking event or workshop unless it's for your family company. So you want to invite clients, you want to invite others, uh, have branding, marketing on your invitations. Uh, but when the event comes, you want to have potentially think about having some kind of presentations, have an itinerary that shows different schedules on what you're doing and how that is business related, right? So when I think about it, you have a welcome dinner, but also have a speaker who is presenting, talking about whatever it is that workshop's going to be on. And then you can have different segments, right, throughout the day or the night about business, have an allotted time on your itinerary just specifically for networking. And then at the end, maybe have some time for dancing, a couple of drinks or something like that, again, where you can have that fun. But predominantly, you need to be talking about business and doing business related things. So once you're able to actually substantiate the event, there's some other deductions that you'll be able to take. So one, if you're putting it or holding it at a venue, the venue should be deductible. Um, Food, the meals, drinks, typically meals are going to be 50% deductible. Again, there's certain exceptions. Talk to your tax advisor about this. Talk to the event. Um, Generally, though, the meals are going to be 50% deductible. If you have to travel somewhere, if you're holding this event in a different state, city, or something like that, where you actually have to travel, your travel will be deductible too. Their airfare, vehicle mileage, you name it. Hotel stay, again, if you're staying at a different city or state, your hotel should be deductible for those days that you are attending the business event. And then like I said, transportation, really anything related to the event that you're going to expense, you should be able to deduct it for those days that you are having that event. That's really it today. Pretty short one. Just think about, again, is this ordinary and necessary for my business? Am I going to be able to substantiate the business purpose and actually show a legitimate business purpose and substantiate the amount of time that we spend? Even though it is on your birthday, you'll be able to show, hey, this was actually a legitimate business event, which in turn allows you to deduct your birthday party. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Please share, comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions. We appreciate all your feedback. Again, if you are looking for an advisory type of package or service, you need help, you're tired of your typical CPA, or you don't have a tax plan, go to www.bristertaxlaw.com, schedule a free discovery call today. Thank you.